Welcome to TechLeaper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change language on your Google Chrome browser. Now, at first, just go ahead and open up your Google Chrome browser. Then in your browser, this might be in the language you can read. So don't worry, I'm gonna guide you how to change your language even though you cannot read anything on the screen. So at first, what you have to do is go to the top right corner. Here, you'll find this three dot icon, which is the customize and control Google Chrome. Just click on it. Then right here at the bottom, you'll find settings. Just scroll down and you'll find this gear icon. Just look for this gear icon if you cannot read. Then just click on the settings. Then from the left hand menu, you need to go to languages. Now, if it's in another language, then just search for the sign, the symbol here. It's going to be a Chinese letter probably with the A. Just look for this symbol and click on it. And after that, here under preferred languages, you'll find your languages. And if you don't see the language which you want, just click on add language. Then just select the language which you want from the list and click on add. And after you have done that, you'll see your preferred language in the list. And let's say I want to change it to English United States. Just choose the language you want to change and click on the three dot icon next to it. Then just click on display Chrome in this language. Then just click on relaunch. This will relaunch Chrome, and after that you'll see the new language on your screen. And basically that is how to change language on your Google Chrome browser. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.